Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You start by creating an Automator application. This makes the auto clicker double clickable. Choose actions that simulate mouse events because keyboard scripts behave differently. Once done, enable accessibility permissions for Automator so the system allows simulated clicks. Make sure to pick a specific screen coordinate or a UI element identifier and set an interval in seconds and a click count. You will see why an application is safer than a service. It isolates the clicks and runs independently when launched. Now assemble the click sequence. Insert a Run Apple script action and paste a concise script that uses CG event or call the click binary for precise events. You do this because Apple script alone can be inconsistent. Using CG event or click gives reliable coordinates and button types. Once the code is in place, expose variables for X, Y, delay, and repeat count, and test with low-frequency intervals. Make sure to include a short initial delay so you can position the cursor before it begins. Finish by saving the Automator application and run it from Finder to verify behavior. Use 1-2-second intervals for initial tests. If the clicks do not register, recheck accessibility permissions and make sure Automator or the helper binary has permission to control your computer. Once done, add an easy abort mechanism, a hotkey, or a short conditional in the script so you can stop runaway clicking. If problems persist, test on a static target and log coordinates to confirm precision.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.